भी खेल भी अगर आप बार बार खेल रहे होते हो तो आप बोर हो जाते हो ना, लेकिन कंप्यूटर कभी भी बोर नहीं होता, बल्कि वो एक साथ बहुत सारे काम कर सकता है, लाइक पेंटिंग, म्यूज़िक, राइटिंग। आप डिफरेंट टाइप्स की फाइल्स और डिफरेंट टाइप्स के वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स आप खोल सकते हो, एक साथ काम कर सकते हो उसके ऊपर। लेकिन कभी भी कंप्यूटर ना थकता है और ना ही बोर होता है, क्योंकि ये मैन मेड थिंग है। ओके, नाउ मूव टू पेज नंबर 7. Now the fifth part is versatility. Versatility means computer can do different types of works in a same time. Okay. Now as I had told you before कि जब मैं टायरलेसनेस आपको समझाई थी, जब मैंने बोला था कि बहुत सारे काम एक साथ कर सकता है, राइट? तो जो बहुत सारे काम एक साथ परफॉर्म कर रहा होता है ना, उस काम को एक्चुअली क्या कहते हैं? वर्सेटिलिटी. टायरलेसनेस का मीनिंग तो होता है कि बगैर थके, बगैर बोर हुए हुए कंप्यूटर काम किए जा रहा है. लेकिन जब बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक साथ परफॉर्म कर रहा होता है तो उसको क्या कहते हैं हम? वर्सेटिलिटी. Now come to the functions of a computer. Functions of the computer are almost the same as characteristics. Like it work very fast and save time. It can help you to draw and paint. It can help you to play games. It can store a lot of information. Now the next one is it follows instructions correctly. It allows you to listen to songs and watch movies. It can help you in doing sums. It never makes mistakes and never get tired. So students, this is your whole chapter. This is the brief description of the chapter. Now listen your today's lecture carefully. If you still do not understand anything, just text your teacher. Okay, now move to the activity of on page number 9. So here is your page number 9. Let's start the fun activity, which consists on 2 questions. Now in question number 1, you have to take the correct option as they are asking in the statement. Number A is Elia wants to place a computer at her study desk at home. She will get a... Now which computer will she get? Palm top or desktop? Which computer Elia wants to place on the desk? Yes, desktop, because it plays on the desk. Now take it like this. Now come to part B. Ali works while traveling to various places. He will use a desktop or laptop. Which computer is he going to use while traveling? Laptop, because desktop only use while putting it on desk, but we can take laptop wherever any place where we want. Okay, so take it like this. Now come to question number 2. So students, you have to identify these pictures. Now let's start from the picture number 1, as this picture shows the characteristic of tirelessness. This picture shows you the characteristic of speed, and this picture show you the characteristic of accuracy. Now this picture shows you the characteristic of versatility. So write down their names as I have written it. And in question number 1, you have to take the correct option. Just do these both activities in your home and send me the picture. Thank you.